guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Mimi. I talk about everything to do with making money, saving money, finances, investments, personal development, mindset. And if you are interested in listening to that kind of content, then please do join the party by subscribing to this channel. So today's video we'll be talking about makeup and what you need to do or what you need to begin trading as a beginner Forex trader. So I'll just be doing my makeup as I give out pointers as to what you need to do as a beginner Forex trader. I told you guys on the previous video that makeup is a healing process for me, or makeup is my form of self-care and self-love. So as I do my makeup, I will talk about what you do need to get started with Forex trading. So for you to actually start trading the FX market, there's basic things that you do need. So my number one is usually you do need a computer or a device. So majority of the times people say that you can easily trade on your phone. Personally, I don't find it's very easy trading on my phone. Yes, you can still set up all the platforms on your phone and everything on your phone, but I do prefer you having a laptop, a computer, a screen as big as possible, purely because you're looking at charts. Number one is the device. Number two would be internet. This is a real market, it's a real-time market. And from the technovation that we do have now, you as a retailer are able to access the market from wherever you are because of the internet access that you do have. So for you to actually check the prices changing every single minute, every single hour, every single second, every single microsecond, you will need the internet to keep updating you on the price changes. So if you want to trade Forex and you're in an area where there's no internet, unfortunately, it would be quite a hard task for you to actually trade without the internet, or almost impossible. Okay, it's not almost impossible because I know long time you would probably go to a cyber, place your trades, and then go back home where you don't have internet, and come back and price will have changed significantly, either to your direction or against your direction. So access to internet now is 2020. A lot of people have access to internet, so how you use the internet is very important. Yes, but for you to actually trade Forex, you will need the internet because it's a real-time market. So number three would be the charts, of course. If you are a technical trader, you definitely need the charts. Charts meaning what you see on your platforms, if it's MetaTrader or TradingView, whatever you look at, for you to decide what to do with price. Am I buying GBP USD? Am I selling USD JPY? By the way, this week USD JPY did really well. So are you looking at those charts for you to interpret what is going on? So definitely you'd need charting for you to actually understand what bias you will make in the FX market. And when I mean charting, I do also mean you need to understand what time frames are you on these charts. Are you on the 1 minute time frames? Are you scalping? Are you swing trading? Are you trading like a investor and taking positional trades and letting them run for as long as they can? Are you doing intradays? Are you doing weekly positions? So it's purely charting and you deciding what time frame on these charts that you're going to be on. So another thing a beginner trader would definitely need, you do have to have a funded account for you to actually trade in this FX market. So before you get to your funded account, I normally recommend please open a demo account for you to do your demo trading first, and for you to understand, is this thing actually for me or not for me? So, but if you've done all that and you've back tested everything, you've done the charts, you've understood what's going on in the charts on your demo account, you will need to fund your account. And for you to fund your account, how do you do that? You will then need a broker. So trading funds is also very important. Sometimes I normally say you could have all the skill in the world, but you do not actually have the capital to fund that account and trade. So the capital or the balance or the trading funds for you to trade is the most important bit. So after you have the trading funds, then of course, what are you funding? You are funding a trading account that is through a broker. So in the previous video that I will link here, we did talk about how to choose your broker. I can go through that again. So you'll need a broker. Your broker is simply where you put your funds. Now this trading funds, you have the trading funds and you want to put the funds, you put them through a broker. In Kenya, we do have two regulated brokers. There's Egm Securities, they're located at Delta Towers, Westlands, and the Scope Market at Westside Towers in Westlands as well. They're regulated by Capital Markets Authority. That doesn't mean that you cannot use any other brokers. You could If you go through that video, it will explain to you how you choose your broker. As long as they're regulated, they have the license to actually do that business, and also what license they do have, what kind of spreads they have. I will leave the links down below for Egm Securities, Scope Markets. I'm currently trading using Globex 360, amazing broker with all amazing spreads. I will also leave the link down below. And for my binary, I'm using binary.com. I'm trading synthetic indices there. I will leave all the links that I use down below. Okay, so after you have your broker, you will then, of course, need the knowledge now for you to consistently, competently make profits throughout the market. So the knowledge for me is the most important thing. It's like you have this desire to learn how to drive a car. Yes, you do have access to a car, but you don't know how to drive that car. So of course, if I put you in the car and I'm taking you down to Uhuru Highway or Valley Road, you'll definitely crash because you don't know how to drive that car. So the knowledge or the skill to drive that car is the most important thing. And for me, for a beginner trader, skill and knowledge is the most important thing that you will definitely need for you to trade competently. I think that's it in terms of what you will need as a beginner trader for you to trade. Yeah, if you are that person who is interested and you do feel that you have those things as a beginner trader, you have a computer, you have the internet, you've looked at the charts, you have the funds to trade or funds you could put aside. And by the way, people normally ask me how much money should I start trading with. I always tell them, start trading with an amount that you're willing to lose, because you are learning. That's your learning or your school fees for you to actually learn how to trade. I do not expect you to be 100% profitable the first time you actually trade, because it's something new to you. It's a learned skill. It's not naturally something that you do naturally. So as you get the experience, as you get that expertise, yeah, start with an amount you're willing to lose, because Forex trading is risky and past results do not guarantee future results. That's a disclaimer I always make very clear. And also, if you're wondering where can you get this knowledge, I do offer classes. I do offer physical classes because it's quite technical, understanding how to trade. I do offer physical classes if you're interested in getting the knowledge and the skill as to how to trade Forex trading. In Hurlingham, yes, I do charge for the classes. They do run for 2 weeks. If you're interested in that, I will leave my contacts down below. Then we can get talking and get connected and engaged to each other. And then you're able to join an amazing team of traders, people I have taught before who are trading competently and consistently, and even other people like yourself who are interested in learning. So it's a monthly class that I do run every single month, first 2 weeks of the month. Then the other weeks we actually actualize what we've learned in class. So if that person is you and you are wanting to actually learn how to trade Forex, and you are not physically here in Kenya, Nairobi, we also do have online classes for you. So we do have physical classes, which I prefer the physical classes, but if you're not within our location, you are able, it's 2020, so we do have Zoom online classes that happen every single day. Actually, this is not limited to the 2 weeks. They happen every day, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., 10 p.m. to midnight. So yeah. If you have traded before and you feel like your strategy is not working for you, you could also plug in. Do leave a comment down below. I'm totally willing to assist as many people as possible to get profitable and proficient in this FX market. Yeah, so I guess that's what you do need as a beginner trader. See you guys on the next video, and if this video was of value to you, do give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, share this with as many people as possible who you think will find value from making money from the FX market, online, leverage on the $5.1 trillion industry, and time freedom, financial freedom, and also just engaging and networking with other people in the same space. Thank you guys, and see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.